Getting a divorce can be an emotionally excruciating process. After all, it's not a simple task to sort through years or even decades of life built together and untangle all of the knots of shared family, friends, properties, accounts, and more. To add insult to injury, divorce is a notoriously costly endeavor, with the average cost in the US hovering around $13,000 per spouse. Between paying for lawyers, court fees, appraisals, accountants, and other related professional services, expenses can add up very quickly. Luckily, there are ways to cut costs significantly. Here are some key strategies that will help keep divorce costs low. 1. Avoid court if you can. The quickest way to rack up an insurmountable bill is by taking your divorce into the courtroom. While litigation may be necessary for some couples who just can't seem to reach any kind of agreement, pursuing an uncontested divorce or a settlement agreement outside of court is highly recommended for those couples who can be somewhat amicable and want to soften the blow financially. While an uncontested divorce is only possible when both you and your spouse agree to all of the terms of the divorce and have no remaining conflicts, you can explore a mediation or collaborative divorce if there are still some work that needs to be done to get you both on the same page. 2. Tips for selecting a divorce attorney. Another way to save money on your divorce is if you feel that you need an attorney, choose them wisely. Though the job title may read the same, no two divorce attorneys are identical in their personality or approach. That's why it is important to assess your needs honestly when selecting a divorce lawyer. What do you want out of this divorce? What in particular do you need help with? What is your budget? It is recommended that you find lawyers who offer a free consultation so you can test out your rapport before committing fully. Taking time to find a good fit, both in terms of personality and rate, may save you money in the long run. Also, you may want to explore payment plans, as many attorneys and law firms are often accommodating about this. So if you don't think that you will be able to make payments upfront, it's recommended that you find a lawyer that will allow you to pay in increments after the divorce is complete. In some cases, you may not need a full-scope attorney at all. Consulting attorneys who cost half the amount can be hired for specific tasks such as completing divorce forms, preparing for mediation, and drafting or reviewing a proposed settlement agreement. You may even only need a paralegal to help prepare your paperwork and file. This would cut your costs immensely. 3. Fee waivers. Other ways you can save money during a divorce include applying for court fee waivers if you are eligible, staying organized with all of your paperwork and financial documents, being professional with your attorney, and lastly, doing your best to be amicable with your spouse. The more agreements the two of you can reach on your own time with regard to property division, child custody, household items, and other related issues, the more fees you can avoid for services such as professional appraisals. We're eForms, the largest online database of fillable legal forms. If you're entering into divorce proceedings and are looking to save money, our marital settlement agreements could help you through the process. Click the link right here to access an official template for your state.